I've heard a lot of people say that it is not possible for you to create a professional flyer design with your smartphone except you have a PC, which is not true. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a professional flyer design such as church flyers, birthday flyers, social media flyers, and what have you. Just like this flyer you can see right now on your screen, it was created with my smartphone. So I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step process behind any kind of flyer design you want to create with your smartphone. All you need to do is for you to watch this tutorial video to the end because you are going to be learning a lot. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope you can see this design that is on your screen. Yes, this design was created by Testimony, so I would like to say a big shout out to Testimony. Thank you so much for creating this masterpiece. Now, having said that, let's continue. Quickly click on these three dots at the right corner of your phone. Go to image size. Remember to change the width to what? 1080 and the height to what? 1350. If you have done that, let's import the background. So guys, this is the background of our design. Click on the good icon. Now go to relative size, increase it from here. Beautiful. Click on this icon at the right corner of your phone. Make sure you lock the background. That's all right. Now, when creating a professional flyer design, let me show you our original design. Now, I'll be using this flyer to explain the basic things you need to know about design process. When creating any design, it is important for you to subject that design to a thorough design process. This is what I mean. If you want to create a professional flyer, it could be a birthday flyer, a church flyer, or a social media flyer. Now, I'll be using this flyer to explain the basic things you need to know about design process so that you can create a professional flyer. When creating a professional flyer, the first thing you need to do is for you to get a template. There is this application that is called Pinterest. That is where we go to get templates, inspiration, and what have you. So when you get to the application, you can use the search button to search for the kind of flyer you want to create. Maybe it's a church flyer or a birthday flyer, and that application will give you numerous designs, and with those designs you can be able to come up with a masterpiece. If you want to learn more about design process, check the description of this video. You will find a video there where I explain everything you need to know about design process. Now, the next thing we need to import is the picture of the celebrant. Now, let me go ahead and import the picture of the celebrant. Now, this is one of his pictures. So I want you to crop this part out. Brilliant. Now, let's increase it. Increase it a little. Okay. So place it here. Okay. Click on copy. Delete the one behind and bring it here. Make sure you align it properly. So click on this icon, make sure you lock it to avoid unnecessary movements. So guys, having positioned the image properly, the second thing I want you to consider when creating a professional flyer is the background. In as much as you've gotten the template you need for you to create a stunning design, the background must be considered. So take your time and get a background that will suit or fit the design you want to create. As you can see, I used a background that is suitable for this birthday flyer design. Please make sure you put your background into consideration when creating any design. It is very important. Now let's import something else. So guys, we'll be making use of this lens flare. Click on your good icon. Now stretch it from here. Increase it. So place it here, copy it, place it here, copy it again, place it here, then copy it for the last time and place it here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Click on this icon at the right top of your phone, then click on this. Let's merge the four of them together. Okay, as you can see, we've successfully merged all of them together. So just go ahead and stretch it, then bring it down. Hope you can see what I'm doing. We are not yet done. Go to texture. So let's import something. So guys, we are going to texture this into the lens flares we merged together. Hope you understand. So bring it down, then click on your good icon. So go back to texture, scale it. Hope you can see. Yes, just scale it a little. Hope you can see. Hope you can see what we've done. Yes. So guys, this is good. Now the next thing we need to import is the other picture of the celebrant. So let's import it quickly. So guys, this is the second picture. Click on your good icon. Now go back to crop. Let's crop this part out. Yes. So stretch it. Okay. Reduce it a little. Bring it down. Reduce it a little again. Hope you can see what I've done. Yes. Now go ahead and do what? Lock it. Beautiful. Now let's import another important icon. Follow me carefully. So this is the icon I'm talking about. Crop this part out. Click on your good icon. Reduce it. So bring it down. Reduce it again. Beautiful. Click on this icon, take it behind the other image. Yes, beautiful. Okay, now let's adjust this image a little. Okay, beautiful. Now we need to cover this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This premium quality stuff. How do we achieve that? I'm going to show you how we'll cover that right up. Now go to shapes. So reduce it, bring it down. So go to color, enable the color. Now go to the color picker. We want to pick the exact color on this icon, which is this color. Click on your good icon. So bring it down, reduce it a little. Okay, now click on this icon at the right top of your phone, hold it and take it behind this image. Hope you can see what we've done. So place it there. Make sure you lock this image. Okay, the next thing we need to do is for us to write the name of the celebrant. So go to your A icon, click on text, bring it down. Now I know many of you might be saying that I did not explain everything concerning how to create a professional flyer using your smartphone. Just go and watch that video. You are going to understand everything you need to know about design process. Just watch the video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section and I'm going to answer your questions. Go to font. Now we'll be using a particular font called Go Bold. Yes, so this is the font we'll be making use of. Yes, now go to align, centralize it. Now go to line spacing, reduce the line spacing. Okay, now increase the right up. Okay, place it here. Oh, sorry about that. Let's lock it. Okay, now go to color. Let's give it a black color. Beautiful. Hope you can see what I'm doing. If you have any question, go ahead and drop your question in the comment section and I'm going to do justice to your question. Now let's make this right up bold. Go to style. Hope you can see what I did. I clicked on B and it has made it bold. Click on your good icon. Go back to line spacing. Increase it a little. Oh, sorry about that. Line spacing. So increase it a little. Yes. This is good. So bring it down. Yes, so leave it there. Now let's import another icon. So this is the icon I'm talking about. Let's crop this unnecessary parts out. So click on your good icon, quickly rotate it. So rotate it, then bring it to this other side, reduce it a little. Okay, now I want to do some adjustments, so I'll have to pause this video. Let's duplicate this one. Now take it to this other side. Yes, place it at this side. For now, click on this, make sure you lock the both of them. Now let's import the happy birthday write-up. So guys, this is the happy birthday write-up. Now let's take away the white background. Go to erase color, enable it. Yes, click on your good icon. Now go to color, enable it. Let's give it a white color. Beautiful. So reduce it, then place it here. Beautiful. Now let's write the date of his birthday. Go to shapes, reduce the opacity, increase the stroke width to 3, then click on your good icon, go to color, enable it, give it a white color. So reduce it, okay, so place it here. Let's see. Okay, let's adjust it a little. Then bring it down, place it here. Go back to edit. Sorry about that. Increase it to 4. I think this is better. Yes, this is better. So place it here. Okay. Yes. Copy it, delete this other one, and bring this one here. The date is 12th December. So go to your A icon. So go to font. Change it to Montserrat Black. Yes, so break it. Now go to line spacing, close it. Yes, now increase it, place it here. Let's see. Go back to size, reduce it a little. Okay, now go to position. Let's position it so it will be at the center. Okay, bring it down a little. Okay, now lock it. For that shape, let's work on it. Let's increase it by the side a little. Yes, so lock it. Then for the right up, let's adjust it. Go to position. Okay, this is okay. Now click on the center icon, go to shape, reduce it, just reduce it this way, reduce it. Now let's move it, then take it up. Yes, place it there, take it up a little. So click on it, go to relative size, let's reduce it from there. Okay, now go back to position, make sure it's at the center. Okay, let's see. This is brilliant. Let's adjust it a little. Okay, Okay, now for the number, let's adjust it a little. Okay, this is good. Now let's write the birthday wish. So guys, this is the birthday wish. Click on OK. So we are going to work on it. Let's see. Okay, this is okay. Now go to size, reduce the size. Yes, you can also reduce it from here. It all depends on you. Go to font. We'll be using Montserrat medium. Yes, so take it behind the celebrant. Yes, let's see. Okay, now go to opacity, reduce the opacity a little. Yes, hope you can see what I'm doing. Reduce it a little. Still go back to opacity again, reduce it. Okay, beautiful. So bring it down a little. And the last thing we need to write is celebrating the graced one. So I'm going to write that now. So I'm done writing it. Go to font. We'll be using Montserrat, or let's use Metropolis. So we're using Metropolis semi bold italics. Now go to size, reduce the size from here. Yes, place it here. Then go to spacing, space it. Yes, then place it here. Then go back to size again, reduce the size. Yes, reduce it. Then go to relative position, make sure it's at the center. Yes, so place it there. This is good, this is good. So guys, if you are done doing this, click on this, save as project. You can save it with any name. Then also save as what? Image. Change it to PNG, then change it to Ultra, then save to gallery. So if you are done, take it to PixelLab. So guys, this is PixelLab and we'll be editing it here. So go to tools, go to adjust, and let's adjust the brightness a little. Okay, 2 is enough. Go to contrast. Yes, okay. Now go to clarity. This is good. And go to saturation. Okay, now go to shadow, increase it. Wow, this is beautiful. So guys, we are done with this birthday flyer. If you know that you got value from this video, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like and equally share. It is Steve Vixen Tech, your favorite graphic designer. If you want to gain access to the design resources, all you need to do is for you to watch the video to the end, and don't forget to watch the next video that will appear on your screen right now. Thank you so much.